First, let me take the opportunity to congratulate Mr. V.S. Raju Garu, President FAPSI, to getting all the 3 institutes to one platform and making a program of LLP a grand success. Thank you, sir. It is an alternative corporate business vehicle that gives the benefits of limited liability and allows its members the flexibility of organizing their internal structure as a traditional partnership. A partner in a limited liability partnership is not liable by means of indemnification, contribution, assessment or otherwise for debts, obligations and liabilities of the partnership of any partner arising from negligent acts or omissions that another partner or employee, agent or representative of partnership commits in the course of partnership business while partnership is a limited liability partnership. It was also added that LLP has an immense role to play in the SME sector. Around 95% of the industrial units in the country are SMEs and the manufacturing sector is dominated by these sectors. Over 90% of the DMEs are registered as proprietorship. The LLP could be an appropriate business model for manufacturing sector to enjoy the advantage of less compliance with higher access to credits in the market. As the regulators are also part of this seminar, I would like to make one suggestion, and I personally don't find any major difference between a limited liability partnership and a private limited company. Almost all the compliances have to be made except few reduction in the expenses at the initial stage like 5,000 or 10,000. If some more exemptions can be given for limited liability partnerships under the Companies Act and also under the LLP Act, more number of companies can be formed. I thank all the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.